red bird flying in the sky. Red bird, what color am I? Red is the color we see. A red bird flying happily. Blue bird, up in the tree. Blue bird, singing with glee. Blue is the color we see. A blue bird flying happily. Yellow chick, small and bright. Yellow chick, one is sight. Yellow is the color we see. A yellow chick smiling happily. Green parrot, talking loud. Green parrot, drumming loud. Green is the color we see. A green parrot flying happily. Black and white penguin, waddling slow. Black and white penguin, hello. Black and white, what do we see? A penguin walking happily. Purple hummingbird flying fast. Purple hummingbird zooming past. Purple is the color we see. A purple bird buzzing happily. Colors, birds so bright. Flying in the sky with all their might. Red and blue and yellow too. Green and purple. Black and white too. Let's sing them again. One more time. Colors and birds in a happy rhyme. Red bird, blue bird, yellow chick too. Learning colors is fun with you. Great job learning colors today. Let's sing and learn again another day. Birds and colors, big and small. You did amazing. 1